It's not encrypted or removed that.
Interesting.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Notable Lady Samantha, his father's widow. Though forbidden to wed, their passion for one another had become common knowledge by this time, and so great.
This fucking guy.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Both those people almost just fucking killed us.
Won the patent for the device in 1871, and went on to be awarded more than 20 patents in her lifetime. So hats off.
Amazing again.
At least it's different. I know he's on high. Oh, that guy's. They just lost a bed.
What the?
How'd McClellan get released before the counselor did? Louise asks Judy, and Denny says, "How do you think?"
What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking Christ, dude.
Fuck?
Oh shit.
Hey, you can't park there, bro. How much we drink tonight? Hey, you gotta stop.
Everybody get in the car. Get in the car.
Go, gang! Hop in, gang! No way! He's starting left. Fire truck coming.
Oh, he crashed! He just crashed again! He hit the fire truck! You fucking goofball!
Oh! What the fuck?